Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday and it is officially another week down. And this week has been exciting and challenging and there's a lot going on. And here's Paisley making her debut. Good morning, honey. Good morning. Here's my girl. Love her. Molly is still sleeping. Paisley is sleeping right there in her blanket on the edge of the couch. I'm making my weigh-in video today. Say good morning. Say good morning. Puppy kisses are the best. This week there's a lot going on. I have had a crazy, stressful week. But, as always, I stayed on plan. I stayed on plan, and some people are saying that they want to do Optavia and that I have such great willpower and things like that. But truth be told, it's not willpower. It's just a decision. I made a decision to see this thing through. I was tired of yo-yo dieting. I was tired of keto not working and it was making me ill, to the point where I went to the doctor and the doctor said, this is what's going on, you need to get off of keto. And that is what pushed me forward through this Optavia journey. And if you're brand new to my channel, check out some of my weigh-in videos. Early on you'll see, and a couple before that is like the prologue, just to get you familiar as to why I did this. Very interesting. So it was just a decision. I said to myself, I'm investing in my health and investing in myself. And since I am going to be doing that financially, I owe it to myself to stick with it and not stray and not cheat. Why cheat? Why even call it a cheat? It's not called a cheat. Why deviate? Let's use that word. So throughout this journey of mine since April 28th, 2018, I have been overseas in Germany, and I was successful at losing a couple of pounds while away. I have endured barbecues and parties and events, all the while taking my Optavia with me. I work, I'm a nurse, I do more corporate nursing right now, so I'm all over the hospital checking on different units and patients and staff and things like that, so my days are hectic. And it's so convenient and so easy to carry my Optavia with me rather than to say, oh my gosh, I don't have time to go downstairs into the cafeteria, what am I gonna eat, I forgot my lunch. None of that anymore. It's just easy. Just bring your food with you wherever you go. You're allowed to take it overseas. You're allowed to bring it on the airplane. You're allowed to take it on a train, on a ship, wherever. So with all of that, it's really satisfying, and I can actually say for the first time really that I'm proud of myself. I've really gotten this down pat. And now I'm a health coach and have been for a couple months now. Became certified, and so having my registered nurse license as well as the certified health coach certificate, I just have been propelled and pushed into another direction of my life and my passion. So it has been wonderful. It's been a whirlwind. It's been great. There's a couple things going on in my life personally that, not with me, but with extended family and things that we've been focusing on right now, and this week has been no exception. It's just been a lot. So anyway, I know you want to know how I did this week, right? Okay, so let's get on with the weigh-in. Okay guys, so how did I do this week? Well, you heard everything that's been going on in not such detail, but broad explaining to you. I'm so bad with my words this morning. Paisley, am I still tired? I think I might still be tired. So as always, a drum roll, please. That's right guys, I am down another 0.6 pounds, making my total loss 36.6 pounds. As you know, the closer you get to goal, the slower it can be. And last week I had a really good weigh-in. This week is another one as well. I really wanted to, 40 pounds was my goal as of about a month ago. When I first started, I really didn't have a goal. It was just really health benefit wise. And then as the weight started coming off, I was like, holy crow, this thing like really works. So I might as well just go for it in full. So I only have a couple pounds to go, which is mind-blowing. And as I spoke to you about last week, I will be transitioning and maintaining. And I am a little nervous about it, but I have had some discussions about it with some other people, and I'm no longer freaked out about it. So looking forward to that. And yeah, so 36.6 pounds gone. I can't even believe it, guys. And it's been hard to see it, you know, when you look in the mirror and things like that, but I'm finally actually starting to see it and embrace it and not be so self-conscious. Like maybe like 10 pounds ago, I was still, you know, seeing myself in that overweight body and feeling that feeling like when I was out somewhere. Now I'm finally like embracing it and understanding it and really soaking it in that I have changed. My body has changed. I'm still the same person, but physically I have changed, and it's been really exciting. And I did clean out my closet again. Got rid of more, like everything in my closet, legit. I didn't save anything that didn't fit me, that was too big pre this Optavia. I got rid of it. And you may wonder, why the heck did you do that? Because diets fail, right? Well, this is not a diet. To me, this is just, I've learned a lot about myself, and I wanted to get rid of that old clothes, the old Lori, so that I can embrace the new me. It's like a caterpillar that transformed. I want to embrace who I am now, and I want to keep where I'm at. So I felt getting rid of the old clothes was a way that I, inside my head, know that I can't go back and pull out an old loose piece of clothing if I gained weight back, because my plan is not to do that. So getting rid of that stuff was exciting, and donated, and so I didn't make any money off of it, but there were a couple things that I did sell. I had a brand new coat, a Michael Kors coat that I never wore, and that was pretty pricey, so I think I got like $35 for it. Nothing major, but a lot of people have been asking, like, how do you get a new wardrobe? If you got rid of everything, how the heck are you buying all these clothes? Well, let me just say this. Nurses where I live, we make a decent salary, but it's not like wonderful. You definitely have to have two people working in a household in the area that I live in. And so the reason that I'm able to do this truthfully is because of a couple things. I have 3 jobs. I have my main job as a registered nurse, and you guys know that. My second job is being the Optavia health coach, and that has really been amazing. And if anybody's interested in it, please let me know, and I'd be more than happy to talk to you about coaching. It's not anything that I really sought out to do. I was approached, I took the shot, I took the little test that they have, and you don't have to do that, but I wanted to become certified. And so it enables you to earn an income, which is really nice, all the while doing something that you're passionate about and that you believe in. So that's my second job. My third job is I have been doing some consulting work and nurse consulting work on the side. So my time is just so busy. And then you guys know I have a family, I have a husband, I have 2 kids, I have 2 kids, they're both adults. I have 2 dogs, a cat, and a lifestyle and things that I love to do. And you know, where am I fitting this all in? It's easy, because I find that I'm down a path right now that I am very happy with, and I wake up every morning and I'm thrilled. Like, I love life right now. So I just pray it stays the same right now, please, because I feel like in the past, every time my life has been going great, something like a curveball comes in. And so I'm just praying and hoping that everything stays status quo. So anyway, guys, that's the end of today's video. Short but sweet, but down another 0.6 pounds and making my total weight loss 36.6 pounds since April 28th, 2018. And now we're in September. And before I go with this video, I just want to say, please, if you live in North Carolina or any of that surrounding area where the hurricane came, I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you evacuated if necessary. And my heart goes out to everybody, and I will be making a donation to the Hurricane Relief Fund like I do all the time. Whenever there's a big hurricane or disaster or something, I always like to donate. That's it, guys. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.